The installation is completed and you can operate it now. Tilt label on the outside of the outer packing. Indicator lamp off means that the instrument is transported normally and there is no accidental fall. Pry the edge snap with a hammer or flat screwdriver. At least 2 people assist is needed to push the instrument to the pre-installation position. The voltage of the neutral and live wire is 220V. The neutral and ground wire should be less than 5V. The pure water shall be measured in the hospital to ensure that the water quality value is below 1. Take out the waste liquid pipe from the accessories there. There are 2 outlets behind the instrument. The inlet pipe should be screwed into the DI water outlet. The end of the inlet pipe needs to fall into the bottom of the DI water tank. Plug in the network cable. Refer to the videos of software installation. Perform reset as 120 is running. The installation is completed and you can operate it now. Open the disk, locate the setup application, and start the installation. Click Next and select the D-disk for the installation location. When the installation is complete, click Close. Click Net to open Network and Internet settings. Follow the steps to find the TCP/IP4. Enter the IP address. The software is installed and the computer and device are connected. Go to the Test Sample Registration page. Check the location number for the corresponding sample placement. For expedited treatment, please tick Stat. Click to select Test Items and click Register. Follow this procedure to add additional samples. Click Start Condition, and the status is normal to click Start. Go to the Test Sample Results page. Sample results can be queried, modified, and printed. You can search in batches according to the time, and you can find accurately according to the name and bed number. Select the function button at the bottom to edit the sample information. You can edit the test results for your samples. For a paper report, click the Print button to output the results of the sample in paper. Go to the Reagent Settings page. Click the Add button at the bottom to begin editing the reagent parameters. Take Alt as an example for reagent editing. Go to the Reagent Status page. Select the disc and the corresponding position number on the disc. Enter the reagent barcode in the barcode entry options and click Save. Follow this method to load the reagents you need to add in turn. Go to the Calibration Register page. Select the item you want to calibrate. Double-click the item to yellow and click OK. Place the calibration control in the corresponding position. Enter the start conditions and click Start. If you are not sure of the calibration solution position, you can click Reagent and Reagent Settings. Go to the QC Settings page. Click Add QC in the lower left corner and enter the name and batch number of the QC product. The parameters of the QC project can be set in the list. On the QC registration page, select the quality control batch number. Place the controls in the set location and click Register. Select Start under Start Conditions to perform quality control. Go to the QC page. Select the quality control items that need to be queried by the window, or the quality control chart can complete the quality control query.